to fix the rattling sound and all the high pitch sound for the printer. And you need to unscrew it, 6 of them. And just open it up. And there's a gear here. Sometimes it starts with some dirt, maybe paper in between the gear. So when you turn, it sometimes cause like a little rattling sound. So what you need to do is have a tear brush. So just clean it up, right? And you have to maybe turn a little bit. It's a little hard to turn, but it's doable, right? So sometimes you might be able to see it. Then you have to like figure out how to take it out. Okay. After you do that, brush it and clean it, and you put the lubricant. All right, put it on the gear. All right, and the high pitch sound usually is caused here. There's like a 2 pieces of metal touch each other. So that one from this side, is that is actually the black roller. So this side is another metal. So what you need to do, you also put some a little bit lubricant here, and that should make the printer sound much better and very smooth. Okay, hope that's helpful.
If our content has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we will continue to offer free tips and help for our label printer users. And be sure to click that bell icon so that you'll be notified of our future releases. And please use the add comments section below to contact us with your questions or feedback. Thank you.